Alright YouTube, I decided to go ahead and drill my hole for my pen tonight. So all I got to do tomorrow is paint it. I've got it flipped on its side down there, as you can see. And drill one side. Measured in the center of the tubing, which is 3 inches, that's 6-inch tubing. Back 2.5 inches from the edge, and I'm going to drill it with a hole saw. And then I'll have to flip it over and drill the other side. I wish I had a mag drill, but I don't. Alright, there's one side. Little tip about these hole saws here. I've drilled up to 1/2 inch, and I think I've even drilled some 5/8 plate, maybe even a piece of 3/4 with these. You take an air blower and blow the chips out as you're drilling. It keeps the chips from building up and breaking the teeth off of the hole saw, as well as it keeps it cool. But I'm turning it pretty slow, and it's just 1/4 inch. I mean, it's not terrible hot. It's an 1 3/16 hole saw, and it's an 1 8 pin, so it should fit. I have to flip it back up to put it in there. Alright, this is a 3/8 grade 70 transport chain with a slip hook on it and a shackle. Half-inch shackle, working load limit's 2 tons. Way more than this will be picking up. This probably won't ever pick up over 500 pounds right here on the end like this. Anyway, put that in there like that. The pin will go through there. It goes through the shackle like that. Through that. Carry with a hairpin clip. Then you got your chain that comes out of the boom. And as you can tell, that's 3 foot. It will be able to wrap that around trusses and stuff, and slip hook, slide back up on itself. So anyway, should work out pretty good. So all we got left to do now is clean everything up and paint it. Alright YouTube, I wiped it down with some paint thinner and just sprayed it with spray paint. I was going to use a spray gun, but it's about to rain, so I sprayed it with some spray paint so it'll dry pretty quick, and you know, always go back and repaint it. That's what she looks like.